Hello, little chefs! Today we're making the silliest soup ever. It's full of colors.
Tomato, make a splishy splash dive. Turn my soup red, now it's alive. I've got red in my soup, it's a tomato slide. Rolling and laughing with ketchup inside.
Next comes
yellow, corn dancing a jig. He twirls and he hops, oh, he's feeling big.
Pop, pop, kernels jump with a cheer, turning my soup sunny bow, bright and clear.
Here comes green, it's broccoli's turn. He's wearing sunglasses, watch him churn. Spin, little broccoli, stir and swoop. Swirling emerald fun in my crazy soup. Now purple slides in, hello eggplant king. He dives with a splash and starts to sing.
Flop me in gently, give me a loop. I'll make a royal swirl in your soup. All the colors twirl, what a tasty sight. Red, yellow, green, and purple so bright.
Look at that beautiful rainbow soup. Which color would you taste first? Thanks for cooking with me, friends. Don't forget, every color makes your tummy happy. Bye-bye. Like, share, and subscribe.